Top 10 Worst Neighbors. Maybe yours don't suck so much. Number 10. This extreme hoarder doesn't suck so much if you need a bike. But if you don't, well. Number 9. To the woman screaming every night on level 4, if you are being tortured, call the police. Otherwise, I truly do not need to hear when you are coming. Please be quiet or I'll assume that you are in great pain and call the police for you. Wonder why there's quotation marks around the word coming. It's a woman. That's kind of weird. Number 8. Hey, sillies! I noticed you guys keep forgetting to pick up your dog's poopies, so I took it upon myself to bring some baggies. I assumed you're all out because. Why else wouldn't you pick up after your dogs? Continued. Oh, I also helped out by dropping all of the said poop conveniently in front of your door for easier cleanup. Number 7. Hi. I hope the exorcism last night was a success, but before you do it again, you should grease the bedpost. Ooh. Number 6. Old lady, if I catch you in the act of putting your dog's crap on our cans, I will cut off your head and bolt it to the hood of my car. That's friendly. Number 5. These people. This is nice until you try and sleep or until your TV won't turn on because the circuit is blown because of these people. But number 4 is kind of more obnoxious. Glad you have cancer. So die, stupid. Oh boy. Number 3. House for sale by owner because my neighbor is an asshole. Gee, imagine this guy on House Hunters. Yes, the house. Yeah, it's real nice. There's no drawbacks at all. Yeah, no. My neighbors are great. Yeah, my neighbors are great. Number 2. This neighbor actually erected a giant middle finger out of wood. Number 1. Happy Halloween and happy holidays, neighbor. You're probably wondering why your child has this note. Have you ever heard the saying, it takes a village to raise a child? I am disappointed in the village of Fargo, Moorhead, West Fargo. Your child is, in my opinion, moderately obese and should not be consuming sugar and treats to the extent of some children this Halloween season. My hope is that you will step up as a parent and ration the Halloween candy and not allow your children to continue these unhealthy eating habits. Thank you. What a jackass. I'm sure this fucker's not going to get it on Mischief Night.